First, go to google.com/drive and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Click on Go to Drive and you'll be taken to your Drive dashboard. To upload your video, you have two options. Click on New File Upload, then select your video file. Or, simply drag and drop the video file directly from your computer into Google Drive. Your upload progress will appear in the bottom right corner. Just wait for it to finish. Once your video is uploaded, you'll need to share it. Right-click on the file and select Share. By default, the file is restricted, which means only specific people can view it. To make it accessible, change the setting to anyone with the link. Now you can copy the link and anyone you send it to will be able to view and download the video. If you give them viewer access, they can only watch and download the file. If you set it to editor, they'll also be able to make changes, so be careful with that option. Once you've copied the link, share it with whoever you like. When they open it, they'll be able to view the video in Google Drive and download it using the button in the top right corner. And that's it. That's how you upload a video to Google Drive and share it with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.